The best roast beef boasts a juicy, tender interior and a flavorfully crusted exterior. To achieve the crust, we rub our roast with crushed black peppercorns, chopped fresh basil, thyme and rosemary, minced garlic, and coarse salt. As a bonus, our roast beef recipe takes just minutes of hands-on time to prepare. Once you get the herb coating on the roast, the oven does the rest of the work for you. The heat will crust the exterior of the beef, while the interior of the roast becomes irresistibly tender and juicy. Watch your hungry dinner guests go wild, satisfying their carnivore cravings.